Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the device has either stopped responding or has been disconnected on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video and I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to restart the File Explorer. Now, here's how you will do it. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for the list to load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and select restart. Now if you don't find the process here, then scroll down and you will find it in the background processes list. The next solution is to update Windows and drivers, but which drivers? So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Scroll down, expand the list of Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click on USB Root Hub and try to update the driver. Try this for all the drivers, okay? The root hub drivers. Then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane or download and install any update that is available. The last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.